Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So I'm testing a new fragrance today. And if you all watch me, you know that I normally do a smaller batch in my tall and skinny mold, which I am doing, but I did something I don't normally do. And the last time I did it, I was sorry. I went ahead and bought the 8-ounce bottle, the larger size. I usually get a 4-ounce to test it, but I went ahead and got this anyway based on user reviews. The last time I did that with another company, I was sorry because a lot of people said that the fragrance didn't hold, and it did not hold. That one got a lot of good reviews. This one is Apple Mango Tango from Crafter's Choice. This is supposed to be a dupe of the Gain fragrance. Apple Mango Tango. Not the traditional Gain fragrance, but the Gain produces that tropical scent. So we're going to find out. And I'm going to have to do 2 batches. They'll both be similar, though not the same. So I'll only film the 1 batch I'm doing now. I won't film the second one, but I will film the cutting. So what I think I'm going to do is have a base of white and swirl in Nurture Soap's Green Vibrance. And I'm taking a chance, but I looked at this online and I think it'll go well together. Mad Micah's Flash Dance. Going to stir that one in. Then I'm going to put an orange and white top on it. At least that's the plan. I think I'm going to, and I think that'll look okay. Bottom line is I'll be testing a new fragrance. So I want to do the heat transfer method. So give me a minute to get my oils melted with the hot lye water, and I'll be back and we'll get started. Okay, I am ready, so let's get started on this. So, I'll first add our Flash Dance to the first batch. And it's perfect. And like always, I did the heat transfer. The batter has only been hand stirred. It has not been stick blended at all, so I've got plenty of time to work. Next is Green Vibrance. And we know this morphs, but tomorrow it'll be back to this nice, pretty bright green. And we know that our titanium dioxide has to be stick blended in, and I should have plenty of time to work, so I'm going to stick blend it directly in. And I'll go lightest to darkest, so I'll start with this. So this is the first stick blending this batter has had. Trap it under the head, burp it, turn it on, and hold it for several seconds and let it up. And since I am working with this fragrance for the first time, I'm just going to hand stir it in. And that'll let me know if I feel comfortable using it in the frosting. Our green is definitely morphing, but once again, no worries, it'll be that bright, pretty green again tomorrow after it fully saponifies. Looks like a good pouring consistency, so let's get started. And the fragrance is behaving beautifully. That will have to sit for quite a while, so I will put some fragrance in the frosting and I'll come back when I'm ready for that. Okay, I'm back the next day. Time to cut our soap. The pour went very well. I hand stirred the fragrance, but it held up very well. The green vibrance has morphed back into its natural color. On the top, I used the Nurture Soap orange vibrance, and then I put a little bit of Brazen Hussy to strengthen it. I put a little too much Brazen Hussy, and the Brazen Hussy is a little too brazen for my liking, so I'll do it again but use less. But let's cut into it and see what we have. Yeah, very nice. Now what I'll probably do for the one I'm going to make this evening is just switch. I'll probably put the orange with the green down in here, so I'll have orange and green, and I'll have the pink on top. I did that before, and I like that a little bit better. But overall, I really like this. So yeah, overall this went very well. And of course the true test will be if this fragrance holds its scent. We'll find out for sure in 4 weeks, but other than that, so far I'm really pleased with it. It smells nice, behaves well. So I'll get these lined up, and then I'll make another soap and cut another one tomorrow and get both of those uploaded, and that's what I have for right now. I'll see you the next day. Alright, I'm back with the second soap to cut, and everything once again went beautifully. I am just loving this fragrance so far. Behaves beautifully and smells good. There's a really nice strong scent. It has a bit of floral, which is I'm not a fan of, but it's not strong floral, and it did not cause misbehavior like florals are typically known to do. It's more sweet than it is floral. So this is the one I make first, and I put the pink on the inside and the yellow on the top, or the orange on the top. So basically I just reversed it this one, put the pink on the top and the orange on the inside. So it should look similar, but that makes a little bit of variation. So let's just skip for the main reason we're here. Cut this. And I tell you, these soaps just barely fit this cutter. It's actually pressing on the end just a little bit, but we're almost through. Yeah, this has actually some nicer drops in it than the other one. So once again, really pleased with these, and so far just loving this new fragrance. Apple Mango Tango from Crafter's Choice. So I'll finish cutting these and get some pictures of both uploaded. So this is the one I made yesterday. And then this is the one I made today. So super pleased with these. And anyway, that is what I have for this week. And like always, thank you all for watching. And y'all stay safe and take good care of yourselves and be blessed. And I will see you next time around. Bye, everybody.